about Sarojini Naidu, born February 13, 1879, Hyderabad. Parents Bharada Sundari Devi, Agornan Chattopadhyaya, spouse Mutyala Govindrajulu Naidu, died March 2949, Lucknow. Popularly known as the Nightingale of India, she was a nationalist, the poet from Gujarat. She was married to Dr. Govinda Rajulu Naidu in 1893 under the guidance of Gopal Krishna Gokhale. She became the first woman of participated in the India's struggle for independence. She participated in the Dandi March with Gandhiji and presided over the Manipur session of Congress in 1925. She was the first woman to become the governor of Uttar Pradesh state. Her famous poems are The Golden Threshold, 1905, The Feather of the Dawn, The Bird of Time, 1912, and The Broken Wing, 1917. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கூட இருக்க வீடியோக்களையும் தட்டி விட்டுருங்க.